Coinbase is a digital currency exchange that lets you purchase and sell Bitcoin. Coinbase also offers Ethereum, Litecoin and other cryptocurrencies as trading options. The company does not have its own cryptocurrency but instead acts as a marketplace for buyers and sellers of digital currencies. You need to register an account before you can buy or sell any virtual currencies. If you are new to the world of cryptocurrencies, then it's probably a good time to start your journey with a reliable crypto exchange like Coinbase. Here we will discuss everything about this cryptocurrency exchange. From pros to cons, features, fees, payment methods, etc. If you are wondering whether this is the right crypto exchange for you, then read on further. What is Coinbase? Coinbase is a digital currency exchange that lets you purchase and sell Bitcoin, Ethereum and Litecoin. You can buy and store digital currencies on the exchange, and then use the coins for online purchases or to transfer funds to someone else. Trading cryptocurrencies is different from investing in them. You don't own an asset, you only buy and sell an asset. Unlike other exchanges, Coinbase doesn't let you trade cryptocurrencies directly with other people. Instead, you buy and sell virtual tokens called cryptocurrency pairs. For example, if you want to trade $100 worth of Bitcoin for $110 worth of Ethereum, you'd put $10 worth of Bitcoin in your account, then buy $110 worth of Ethereum and send $100 worth of Ethereum to your friend. Benefits of using Coinbase. Instant buy. You can instantly buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. If you don't have a lot of money, but want to invest in the crypto space, Coinbase is a great option since you can buy fractions of Bitcoin and Ethereum with just $10. Low fees. Coinbase and other exchanges usually collect transaction fees when you buy or sell cryptocurrency. However, Coinbase and other reputable exchanges, like GDAX and Gemini, have no fees for buying or selling Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin. Easy to use. To trade cryptocurrencies with Coinbase, you don't need to learn complex trading terminology or run programming code in your head. You simply sign up for an account, verify your identity, and then fund your account with money from your bank account or debit card. Privacy. Coinbase has strict privacy policies to ensure customer information is protected. They will not sell information, and will only comply with court-ordered requests for information only if you give permission first. Fees and payment methods. Coinbase has fees each time you buy or sell a cryptocurrency on the exchange. For example, to buy $100 worth of Bitcoin, you would pay a fee of $9.99 plus a network transaction fee of 25 cents. You can also choose to buy less than 100 Bitcoin with a lower fee of 5 cents. And you can also add money to your account with a fee of 50 cents. Pros of using Coinbase. Easy to use. Coinbase is easy to use, so almost anyone can buy and sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin within minutes. The interface is simple to use and doesn't require any technical knowledge to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Low fees. You don't have to pay fees when you buy or sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin on Coinbase. You can also add money to your account with a fee of 50 cents. Instant buy. You can instantly buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. If you don't have a lot of money, but want to invest in the crypto space, Coinbase is a great option since you can buy fractions of Bitcoin and Ethereum with just $10. Privacy. Coinbase has strict privacy policies to ensure customer information is protected. They will not sell information, and will only comply with court-ordered requests for information only if you give permission first. Cons of using Coinbase. Limited assets. Although Coinbase offers support for more than 30 cryptocurrencies, they only allow you to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. If you want to trade other cryptocurrencies, you'll have to move your funds to a different exchange. Limited coins. Coinbase only allows you to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. If you want to trade other cryptocurrencies, you'll have to move your funds to a different exchange. Expensive. Coinbase is expensive, especially if you want to trade other cryptocurrencies. It costs $99 per year for unlimited buying and selling and 50 cents for each transaction. Technical limitations. Coinbase has technical limitations which prevent you from trading certain coins. Coinbase does not support trading of coins with lower market caps, like Ripple or Ethereum Classic. Final words. Should you use Coinbase? Coinbase is a great way to quickly buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. The main issue is that Coinbase only supports trading on 3 coins, so you may want to look into alternatives if you want to trade other coins. If you don't mind moving your funds to a different exchange, then you can save a lot of money by buying a fractional amount of Ethereum, Litecoin, or Bitcoin on Coinbase. However, there are a few drawbacks to using Coinbase, so if you want to buy Ethereum or another coin you'll have to look elsewhere.